In this video, I will show you how to change 401k contribution in Gusto. First, log into your Gusto account using your browser. On the left-hand menu, click on Benefits. This is where you will find all of your available benefit options. Next, go ahead and tap on 401k. Inside this section, click on See Pricing Plans and it will automatically open a new tab. From here, select Connect with Gusto, then click Authorize to continue. After that, just wait for it to load. Once it's ready, you will be asked to schedule a call so Gusto can help set up your updated 401k contribution. Choose the date and time that works best for you, then click Next. Finally, enter your personal details and confirm. Your contribution changes will be handled from there. And that's how to change 401k contribution in Gusto.